Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I do three beauty videos a week. And I would love if you would subscribe and be part of my little YouTube fam. And also ring the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And today's video, I'm going to be talking about all my favorite purchases so far for 2020. It's only half gone. I mean, it's already half gone. What do you mean only? Pfft. Craziest year ever, am I right? So I just wanted to share like my favorite purchases. They're just kind of random. There is some beauty stuff, but there's also some just random stuff. I don't even know. So I am going to split this into two parts because I feel like it'll be too long for just one. So let's get started with part one. If you guys are interested in all my favorite purchases so far for this crazy, crazy year, then let's get started. Alright, so first thing on my list that I found this year is the Little Seed Farm, and specifically their deodorant cream. I got a sample pack and tried all the different scents, and my favorite are the cucumber and the grapefruit lemon. The grapefruit lemon I like a little bit more than the cucumber, but they're both really good. And they do have this available on Amazon sometimes. They've been out of stock for a while, so I went just directly to their website. And when I did, I found out a lot of great stuff about this company. But basically, it's just a cream in there. You get some out. It comes with like a little stick if you want. But what I love about this is like it's not weird. Like it just feels like a cream, or like it just kind of disappears. When I first saw this, I was like, I'm not going to put on a cream with my hand and then have to like wash my hands. Like that's weird. But this stuff, like when I put it on, I don't even have to wash my hands after. It just rubs in and like just feels like nothing. And it works so well. I've tried so many natural deodorants and this is by far my favorite. If you go to their website, there's just all these really cute pictures of like this farm and just them working with animals and just this beautiful little family. And it says they create chemical-free, safe, and nourishing skincare. They provide their animals with natural and a humane environment. Very important. They use clean energy, 100% solar powered as of 2015. So that's amazing. It just looks like a great company. It just looks like an amazing family that's making great products and doing things the right way. So I'm just so glad that I found the Little Seed Farm this year. The next thing we got is this massage gun from Amazon. So this is going to, it's like really powerful. I don't know if you can see like how much my hand is vibrating, but when you have sore muscles, like your back hurts, you have sore shoulders, whatever, like this is amazing. I have these spots in my shoulders that always hurts, and this just feels so good. And we got this, it was $140, which usually these massage guns, like we've seen them around for a couple years and always have wanted it, but they're like $400 to $600 normally. So when we saw for $140, we were like, okay, we're getting that. And I'm like, why didn't we get it sooner? And I like sometimes my calf muscles get really, really tight and just like hurt. So using this on my calves has been amazing. I'm obsessed with this, and I don't know why we didn't get one. Like, I wish we would have gotten one like 10 years ago. So something like this, if you guys are thinking about it, like get one, because it's really good. Like it just really helps with sore muscles. And I'll try to link everything down below that I can. Some things I might not be able to find, but if I can, I'll have it linked below. Okay, the next thing I've talked about a lot on my channel so far is the Natasha Denona Safari palette. It's just so beautiful. It's all matte shades. These Natasha Denona eyeshadows are just really nice. They blend so nice. The colors are just beautiful. I've been using it so much, and it's normally like $125, and I think it's on sale for like $65, so basically half the price. I got it at like $85, I think, and then it went even lower. So if it's still on sale and you guys are wanting this, definitely get it. I just have been using it so much. For me, that definitely makes it worth splurging if you know you're going to use it, and I definitely have been, so I wanted to mention that. Okay, so next thing that I actually have had for a long time, but we did get a new one recently, is the Breville Espresso machine. We got one of these when we first got married 12 years ago, and we've gotten a couple different versions since then, and I am obsessed with it. Like, I have my coffee every single day. I have at least one coffee a day, and I just make it at home a lot of times. Like, if I'm out, I'll get a coffee somewhere sometimes, but every morning I use this coffee machine, and like anytime friends come over and I make them a coffee, they are obsessed, and then they try to go buy like the cheaper espresso machines to do it at home, and it does not come close. They're like, what do you do? And I'm like, it's the machine. Get this machine. It's so good. So it's the Breville. I'm not sure the actual code number, but they do have some that don't have the grinder in it. Definitely get the grinder in it because it just makes it so much easier to grind, and any other like burr grinder is going to be a lot more expensive than just buying it in one unit. Because if you just get the coffee grinder that like you just press the button, it's more for black coffee. For espresso, it's not going to be the right, like it's not going to be even grounds, and it just don't do that. It's not worth it. Just get the machine with the grinder in it, and it will solve all your problems in life. They're on Amazon for about $600. The price kind of goes up and down, I've noticed. And they're normally in stainless steel, but we went to replace ours because the pump was going out or something. It was doing something weird. It was making weird noises, which after years and years of being used every day, things just kind of happen. So I went on to Amazon and I was looking, and I saw one in black, and I keep looking this way because it's right there. I saw one in black and I was like, oh my gosh, I want that. So I ended up ordering the black one, and I love it. It's so pretty. It's just a nice shiny black, and it just goes with our decor and our whole like style and everything. But if you like the stainless, like they work the same. It's just a great espresso machine. And now that I'm looking at this online too, I'm seeing the Barista Pro. It's like got more dials and it's more electronic and stuff. And it's normally $1,350 on sale for $8.99. So if you guys want that one, like check it out, because that's got even more like specific settings and everything, and it's gonna help make your coffee even better. And I don't do the whole coffee pod thingies like the Espresso or Keurig or what. No, I like to grind my beans fresh. I like to get my beans at the store. I like to do it all myself. I just feel like it makes it so much more special that way. Like you're making your own espresso drinks. You could do mochas, lattes, cappuccinos, whatever you want to do. This machine is amazing. So I would repurchase that over and over and over if I have to. The next best purchase, this is just recent. These are my earrings. If you could see them. I am obsessed with them. So I have this pair, and I also have this little pair here. They're just kind of these little cute rainbow. So these are by Petite Coast, and they just started a couple months ago making these clay earrings, and it's actually some friends of mine. They just started making these really beautiful earrings, and they have an Instagram, and they come out with new collections every couple of weeks, and I'm obsessed with I want all of them. I really do. I want every single pair they make. They're so beautiful and so cute, and they do ship. So if you guys want, check out their Instagram. They're just so cute. I can't get over it. So I'm just in love. So I can't wait to see what else they come out with, because it's just beautiful. Okay, the next thing is the Blendiful by Tati Beauty. These have been amazing. There's something on it. There's like a little piece of paper. I've been obsessed with these. I can't stop using it. Even when I don't use it for my actual foundation, I've been using this for powder, because especially my nose contour, like when I powder the sides of my nose like this and I want that like clean line. I used to use a beauty sponge, but the Blendiful just works so much better. I don't even know how. Like I am obsessed with it. And like anytime you need to like touch up or like something gets a little messed up, you kind of just you know, blend it out with this, and I love it. I don't think they're available still. I think from COVID they're still kind of not shipping yet, but if you haven't tried these yet, I suggest getting some when they come back in stock, because they're just amazing and life-changing, and I'm just obsessed. I need more too, because I have a little like tear in mine, so I need to get some more. I'll definitely be ordering some when I can. And the final thing I'll talk about in this video is sand. I know that sounds weird, but we went and got some bags of sand from either Lowe's or Home Depot, I don't remember, but the kids are obsessed. I have 4 kids, especially the younger 2 and 4-year-olds. They are obsessed with the sand, and they'll just go play in it all day. Like literally all day, they'll just play in this little sandbox that we made, and they love it. At first I was like, I don't really want sand. They're just gonna get everywhere and track it inside, but it's worth it to have them like occupied like that. Like they'll just go outside and play in it all day.
My aunt told me.
What are you doing, Ash? Do you guys love the sand?
Yeah.
Is it so fun? Yeah.
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 So fun.
Hamburger too.
You're gonna make Asher a hamburger?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Can I have some French fries?
cook.
What? Of course. You're gonna make French fries? Get that sand. It's just those like simple things in life that you're just like, and then it didn't cost that much either, but like it is life-changing. Like if you need something for your kids to do and you're just like, I don't know, go buy some bags of sand, give them some little like cups and stuff, and like seriously, it will keep them occupied for so long. So that is it for the first part of this video. Check out part 2 for the rest of them. I just didn't want this video to be too long. So yeah, I will see you in part 2. Bye.